Okay, so I'm outside, and so what I'm doing here is this is what the face looked like before, and I know a lot of people are like, ooh, that looks nice, like it is, but those colors just not gonna go with my color scheme. And yes, this vase is huge. I got it from my sister. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to paint it cream, and so if you're interested, stay tuned for that. So my sister and my brother does these shows in West Palm Beach, these antique shows, and they do them in Miami Beach and in West Palm Beach, and they come across some amazing pieces. And so she ended up getting these two from my brother, and of course she gave them to me because she knows I'm a fanatic when it comes to home decor. I'm like obsessed, so I'm so happy to have them. Thank you, sis. And so just stay tuned to the end to see the final review. Okay, because I'm not going to be able to see the texture. Now you can see it. Oh my god, it is so freaking pretty. Yeah. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh, let's go get another can of this. And that is a fake bed at Home Depot, but I'm gonna go look for a plant for this pot here. I like how this pot looks too. I'm gonna spray a little bit of it. I did this a little like weird. Okay, so I'm back outside and this is where I'm at so far. So what I did was at the bottom I just fully coated it, and then I kind of ombre it so it has like the gray in it. I'm gonna put you guys down so you can see. Okay, so can you see it? It came out so good. I love it. I can think that's all that matters. And so it goes around like that all the way around, but just really at only the top part of it. And I just like it. I think it gives it some sort of transition. I don't think you can mess up something like this. This right here, I need to put some more spray paint. That's really what I went to Home Depot for. To get some more spray paint, just to like lightly go over this so it's not so harsh at the top. Let me take the gloves off. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. You see how lightly it is over here? Well, over here was kind of dark, and so before it dried, I wiped it off. Lightly go over that area a little bit around here, and then I'm gonna paint the inside, not the whole inside, but just the top. I'm gonna paint in here the cream white. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Let's bring it over closer so we don't make, and this one is gonna go to the side and dry. So I'm just gonna paint right here in this vessel area. I don't want, like, if you look in it to look dingy on the inside. After doing 2 other projects with this paint, I can definitely recommend this is the best paint if you have any type of porcelain or glass DIYs that you want to do. Both of these products are amazing.
I think I'll do a wraparound. We'll wrap around.
It dries super matte, which is good. And I'm about to put one more coat on it, and then I'm gonna spray it, and that's it. I'm gonna start spraying and figuring out what kind of plant or flower I'm gonna put in this. So this shot here was a while back, but this is how the vase turned out, and I am going to zoom in. I love the way it came out. And don't be afraid to go into your local thrift stores and do some like garage shopping to find unique pieces. There's something about trends and how they come and go, but it's always good to have like a one-of-a-kind piece that you recreate. And that's what happened here. Got them from my sister. They were totally 2 different colors, and I recreated into something I am obsessed with. I'm going to show you close up. If you look at the pattern of how I painted it, if you can really see, I did up and down strokes, and then I did strokes across, and it almost gives it like a linen texture. So if you want to incorporate that on yours, you can see the lines underneath the spray paint, the stone, where it looks like there's lines veiny up and down and across. Definitely love the way it turned out. I love them all. One of my favorite is this one. It came out amazing as well. It stands really tall, and I love it. It's about the same height as my boucle chair. And again, don't be afraid to thrift store shop. I found this amazing umbrella, and it's one of those Chinese paper mache, I believe. I don't know what the material is. If I'm saying it wrong, please correct me down below. But this just reminds me of mom. But how about I found one that is cream, and it has a bamboo wooding. I love this find, and I recently just came across this at the Goodwill. So check out your local thrift stores. You never know what one-of-a-kind pieces you will find.